you're gonna be doing stuff, and I'm never not going to remind you about saving. So as you're working, one thing to keep an eye on is up here in the top left-hand corner. I hope you can see that there is a red dot in the middle of the it's like maximize, minimize, and close. That red dot there is actually letting me know that I haven't saved my most recent changes to the document. There's another visual indicator that I haven't saved since the last time I made a change. That is the asterisk here. After it tells me that I'm in my document that's called Farmers Market Demo, I'm seeing it at 28%, I'm on my radish layer, and I am working in CMYK, there's this asterisk, which when I go ahead and I hit save, you'll notice there's no asterisk anymore. And now this is an X telling me I can go ahead and close it, and I'm not going to lose anything. So those can be just little visual reminders to yourself that you should save. So if you see either of those things, just go ahead and hit Command S and just save your document while you're working so that you don't end up losing any of your work. Always important.